Welcome to another Mr. Mutech video. Today I'm going to show you how to rotate a picture on iPhone 15 Pro Max with the Photo app. So basically I will be using iOS 18 or the latest iOS update on iPhone to do this. So go ahead and open your Photo app, find the picture that you want to go ahead and rotate, and once you find that image, go ahead and tap on it or choose it. Once we choose it, we're going to go down to this option here that looks kind of like an equalizer. We're going to go ahead and select that. And then what we're going to notice is that it adjusts the photo slightly. We're going to then go ahead and tap on the crop option down here in the bottom right corner. And once we do that, we're going to notice in the top left an option to turn the photo. So if you select this one here, it's the second one, it will go ahead and rotate that photo for you. Once it's rotated, tap on done at the top, and from there you are good to go. Your photo is now rotated. Hopefully that's helpful for you guys, and if so, feel free to give me a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching and have an awesome day.